Hi. How to enter opening balance of bank or cash in simpliRP ERP. Let's see the report on bank account. Currently there is no opening balance reflecting there. Go to opening balance entry page. For positive balance figure, select bank account in debit and opening balance in credit. For negative balance, it is reverse. Once saved, go to bank account report and refresh the page. You can see the opening balance is reflecting there. Same way you can do for cash book also.
Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.